So I was talking to Daryl about Nismo and about codes, and he was saying that he had a Nismo and it had a code 8 and 9 on it, and I said, well, I've never really even checked, and it turns out that yes, in fact, the Nismos are show code 8 and code 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Code 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got your code 8 and your code 9, but we don't have any on the dash here. So we don't have the so that's just brake, and the door is open. So on this Nismo, so I thought that was kind of interesting. All right, Daryl.